Welcome to Ants Elephant TV. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most unique birds on Earth, the ostrich, a bird that can't fly but possesses incredible abilities. Let's uncover the fascinating mysteries of this giant bird. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 2.7 meters tall and weighing over 150 kilograms. Instead of soaring through the skies, ostriches have evolved powerful legs to sprint across the land. But do you know why they can't fly? Although they have wings, ostriches are flightless due to their body structure. Their breastbone lacks the keel necessary to anchor flight muscles, and their bodies are too heavy for their wing size. This limitation forced ostriches to evolve as running specialists rather than flyers like other birds. Not being able to fly doesn't mean they're at a disadvantage. Ostriches can run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest land animals. On top of that, each stride can reach an impressive 5 meters. In addition, an ostrich's legs are formidable weapons. A single kick from an ostrich is powerful enough to take down dangerous predators like lions. Did you know ostriches don't have teeth? They swallow small stones to help grind food in their stomach. Remarkably, their digestive system can process foods that many other animals can't eat. Ostriches aren't just symbols of strength and speed. They also play an important role in their ecosystems. Today, we must protect the habitats of these extraordinary birds to preserve the biodiversity of our planet. So, we've explored some fascinating mysteries about ostriches, flightless yet incredibly mighty birds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ants Elephant TV for more amazing animal stories. See you in the next video.